Hey guys, so today I'm going to film a quick video. I wanted to make a wreath for my front door because all of the ones I saw at the store were crazy expensive and I am not about that life. So I'm gonna walk through how I'm gonna make it, where I got my supplies and everything. So if you're interested, keep watching. Starting with my $4 wreath from the thrift store, I also have these flowers that I purchased at Walmart for $3. I got the little stems here. These were $1 a piece in the Target dollar spot. I got these little, I don't know what you would call these, but these were 97 cents each at Walmart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rip everything off this wreath. I got it from the thrift store for $3.99. And I knew as soon as I saw it that it would be something that I can remix and remake and put on my front door. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Off the wreath, I'm just going to take all the tags off of my stems, and then for the flowers, I'm going to pull all the flowers away from the greenery because I don't really need all that extra. I just wanted the flowers for the wreath. This was such an easy project. Like, this wreath cost me a total of $13, and I think it turns out really great. Very easy to do at home. The other supplies that I use, as you can see, I'm just using some kitchen scissors. I don't have anything special there. I have the hot glue gun that I use to just kind of keep everything in place once I place it into the wreath. But yeah, it was super duper easy. So I highly recommend just making your own wreaths whenever you get the chance because they can be very, very expensive. Place everything on the wreath and just kind of figure out what exactly I want to do. I have been looking at things on Pinterest just to kind of see the designs that I want, so it doesn't take me very long here to figure out what I want where, just because I have seen a couple of examples that I really liked. But I'm just going to sit these on top, just kind of see, you know, where I want everything, and then I'm going to hot glue everything in place. Okay, so we had a slight emergency and I had to grab some paper real quick. We did let a wasp in the house. So that is what this folder is. It did have some sensitive information on it, so I do now have to have this little something to cover it for the rest of the video. So please excuse that. As far as what I'm doing, I'm just gluing down the rest of all of my pieces to the wreath. You will see me stick some scissors in the glue gun. Do not try this at home. I realized shortly after I started that I did not have any more sticks of glue, and so that one piece of glue stick is all I had. So I tried to stretch that as far as I could with this project. I do end up switching from the scissors to the long flower stem because I thought that would be a little safer, and then I realized, you know, that actually also has metal in it, so I eventually just unplugged the glue gun, but I made it work. Absolutely love how this wreath turned out. It was such an easy peasy project. Oh my goodness, I spent a total of $13 and it took me literally like 10 minutes once I focused and got it all done. But I feel like it would have been faster if, I had glue and we didn't let a wasp in the house, and it was just that easy. So I highly recommend just making your own, because these things are just so expensive. It just blows my mind. The last thing I'm gonna do is, I didn't like the shape of this. Again, it's a thrift store wreath, so it had some little defects, but I did borrow some fishing line from my husband since you can't see it from my door. And I just tied this around and cut it so that it can stay, in a nice shape. For $13, I have this gorgeous wreath on my front door. I absolutely love the way it looks from the street. I think it's stunning, especially for the price. If you guys want to see more DIY videos, just let me know in the comment section below. I love putting things together and I love saving money. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.